And tonight, I want to go over how to turn a document such as this into something students can use on Google Classroom. And this document is very complicated and complex because I have all these different layers and boxes. And for the first 5 weeks of quarantine homeschool situation, my students were struggling, and they would print it out, and they'd write on it, and they'd send it back. So how do you turn something like this into something that's usable? So initially, I'm creating this with Word, and so the first thing, step number 1, is you need to save this as a PDF. And so that's easy. You just go up here and just do save as. So you save it as a PDF. What we're going to do is we're going to turn this thing into an image. So here's my PDF version. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. On a Mac, it's Shift-Command-4, and that allows you to take an image of it. So here it is. Here's my image. And boom, done. Got my image. I'm going to close that. And now I'm going to open up my Google Slide window here. Here's my Google Slides. Now, when you upload something like this, I'm going to use Google Slides because Google Docs is not as good at the sizing as I need. So I don't think it really matters whether it's Google Docs or Google Slides, but for this type of document, I want to use Google Slides. And I think the thing that separates the document from the Google Slide is the page setup. The page setup is so easy, okay? So this is 11.5 by 8, so that way I can already turn into that. Then I can just upload my image super easily. So I'm going to go to Open, and hopefully this works. I may have to upload it as an image. I'm not sure. So here's my screenshot. I'm going to drag and drop my screenshot there. And that's not what I wanted. So we want to insert a image, upload image from my computer. So that's what I should have done, and I didn't. So, oops, not a big deal. Here's my screenshot on April today. Upload that, bam. So there we go. So I'm going to make this fit to the page because the more real estate I use, the bigger the students are going to have to write with. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to insert text box everywhere. So for this one here, I'm going to insert a text box here, and then I'm going to copy this one and do another one. Actually, that one didn't copy. So this is going to allow the students to write on this. And so I'm going to put another one over here. So this is another text box. And put some little weird like Google thing on there that I'm not happy about. But that's okay. I'm just going to delete it anyways. So let's do another text box down here for this part. And so what I've done is I've actually created a YouTube video that goes over this whole worksheet for the students so that they know exactly what they need to be focused on when they do this. So I'll do the one more text box over here, and then I'll be done. And so students can write on that. Okay, perfect. So there we go. So now what you do is you want to save it, and you can upload this to Google Classroom. Now, what if you want to download this and reuse it somewhere else, or send it to someone else? Or let's say you want to, I don't know, whatever you want to do with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this as a PowerPoint, and that way I can re-upload it as a PowerPoint, and students will still be able to use it. So if I upload that PowerPoint to Google Classroom or to Google Slides, students will be able to see it. So that's awesome, and that's how the process goes.